numericals from the chapter, first chapter, force. Second question in the 11th page, that is, if a nut is opened, already we learned about what is the moment of force. When nut is opened, we will use some force, and that force is given as a 5 newtons, and distance from the fixed point, nothing but, suppose you want to open a nut. Okay, there is a wrench like this. Suppose this is a wrench where you will catch. Here it should be like this. You are going to apply the force. This is the distance, and when you are moving like this nut is going to open. That is nothing but turning force will produce the. This is the fixed point now. From fixed point there is some distance and there is some force. So this distance is how much they have given is. Distance from the fixed point is 10 centimeters. So we want to find movement of force. So in the second question they are asking, they given a nut to open it by using a force of 5 newtons at a distance from the fixed point, that is nothing but 10 centimeters, otherwise wrench of length. They will give the length of wrench also, we can say length of wrench is 10 centimeters. Moment of force, already we learned that it is a force into perpendicular distance, nothing but 5 newtons into, and 10 centimeters is there, but 5 newtons. So whenever newtons is given, we have to take this in the form of meters. 0.1 meters, which is nothing but 0.5 newton meter. This is the moment of force produced when we are going to open a nut. Moment of force. Fourth question, now numericals in the fourth question, page number 11. Fourth question, page number 11. So first question, they are asking to calculate the moment of a force F1 about O. They given a rod AB. AB is a rod. They are applying a force F1 here, that is 5 newtons, and F2 3 newtons. And this is the distance of 4 meters, and this is the distance of 2 meters. This is the fixed point, okay, where they are want to balance it like this. But when 5 newtons, when you are applying, a rod is there. This is 5 newtons and this is 2 meters. So this total, this is a perpendicular, this is the distance and this is the force. These two are perpendicular and this is called as moment of a force. How? Moment of force at F1 they are asking. So moment of force F1 is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Force is given how much for us? 5 newtons. And distance is 2 meters. Therefore it is 10 newton meters. This is the first one. Second one, this is the distance and this is the force. Moment of force at F2 they are asking. So moment of force at F2, force into perpendicular distance again, nothing but force is how much here? 3 newtons, and the perpendicular distance is 4 meters. Therefore this is 12 newton meters. This is force produced at O by F2, force produced at O by F1. Now, so this is the moment of force is 10 newton meters. This is the moment of force for 12 newton meters. They are asking how much total moment of force is applied at O. Now this is, here it is 10 and here it is 12. Where it is more? This side it is more. So the rod is going to bend in this direction. So how much it is more in this direction? 2 newton meters. Therefore total momentum is equals to at O by 2 forces. By 2 forces is equals to 12 newtons minus 10 newton meters. Therefore it is called as a 2 newton meters. Okay, so this is the sixth question, the page number 11, given that. So this is the force is given 10 newton at At A, point A, and the B also 10 newtons force is applied. Okay, and these two are separated from 50 centimeters. That is nothing but distance is how much? 50 centimeters. Resultant, they are asking to calculate resultant moment of force at A. So resultant moment of force at A, first one, at A is equals to force into distance. Same for all the problems, same moment of force formula only we are going to use it. What is the force they have given, what is the distance they have given, we have to check it. So force into distance, this is nothing but perpendicular distance from the fixed point. So 10 newtons, whenever Newton is given we have to take this in the form of meters. So this is how much? This is 5 Newton meters. Then second one also same as it is at B. So at B same F into D, nothing but 10 newtons into 50 centimeters, as it is 10 newtons into 0.5 meters, which is nothing but 5 Newton meters. So this is at B moment of force. At A moment of force they are asking at O. At O moment of force is here from A, this distance will, because O is situated exactly at the mid of A and B, therefore this is 50 centimeters. A and B is separated with 50 centimeters from O, but at midpoint it will be how much? At mid of O, at O, distance from A, distance from A is equals to 50 by 2 centimeters. So this is half of this, nothing but 25 centimeters. From A, if it is 25 centimeters, therefore moment of force at O from A. So it is how much? 10 into 25 centimeters. Therefore this is 10 into 2.5. This is equal to 25 Newton meters. Okay, so this is centimeters, is sorry 2.5, it will become 2.5 meters, 0.25 meters. So 0.25 meters is nothing but how much? It will become 2.5 Newton meters. Same as it is for from B, 2.5, total it will become how much? 2.5 from A and 2.5 from B. This will become total, I am writing here, at O, total momentum from A and B, is equals to 2.5 plus 2.5, nothing but 5 Newton meters. The question they are asking, a steering wheel of diameter 0.5 is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. If you want to apply, if you want to move it in anti-clockwise direction, you can apply force here or you can apply force here. Two forces we can show. Is asking to draw a diagram of a steering wheel which is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, and this is the distance given, and this is as a diameter, and they are asking that 5 newtons is applied on the force. Now moment of force of steering wheel. Moment of force of steering wheel is force into perpendicular distance. Force is applied here, this is the distance. So force how much we are applying? 5. And perpendicular distance is how much? 0.5 meters, and this is 5 newton. Therefore 5 5 is the 25, 2.5 Newton meters is the moment of force applied on a, where we are applying? Steering wheel, so that it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise, by applying how much moment of force? 2.5 Newton meters in this direction or in this direction. We apply how much moment of force? 2.5 Newton meters. Understand? So they will ask the question like this, draw a diagram. So in that they will give question, a steering wheel of diameter 0.5 and show that it is rotating in anti-clockwise. Force direction we have to show that force direction should be in this, so that it will move in the anti-clock. two forces, they say ask to show two forces in this one and in this one. This is one direction, this is one direction. Two forces they asked to show. These are the two forces. This is the diameter and this is act like a distance for this moment of a force.